Let's fold the beautiful ringed cube. You'll need 6 sheets of paper. I'm using 3 by 3 inch squares. You can use any size square you'd like. You can use a single color, 6 different colors, or 3 different colors with 2 squares each. To begin, you're going to fold the square in half, making the center line. Then you'll fold the upper and lower edges in order to meet the center line. Fold the right vertical edge upward on the upper edge to make a diagonal crease. Next, you'll fold the left vertical edge downward on the lower edge. This will make a parallelogram. Unfold the paper completely. Then you're going to fold all 4 corners inward to lie on the horizontal quarter creases. 2 of these creases will have already been made. Fold the upper and lower edges in to lie along the horizontal quarter creases. Fold the lower right flap inward onto the existing crease, like so. Now, peel back the inner vertical edge of this flap, and at the same time, fold up the lower edge, also on the existing crease. Turn the piece upside down, and then repeat the steps for the top left flap. Pull out the lower border and allow the folded flap to tuck in behind it. Now turn the model over and you're going to fold each of the sharp points to the obtuse angles of the parallelogram, like so. This completes the first piece. You will make 5 more for 6 pieces total. Once you have all 6 pieces made, you are ready to assemble. To assemble, slide the point of any one piece under the central section of another piece. Continue by adding a third piece, assembling the central cube piece by piece. If you're folding with 2 pieces of 3 different colors, you should add pieces of the same color opposite of each other. All the pieces are joined the same way, all the way around the model. Here's what it looks like with the assembly completed. Finally, you're going to squeeze together the 4 flaps that appear on each of the 6 faces of the central cube. This allows the flaps to be pushed upwards and form circular bands around the model, as if they are rings. Here is the finished look. You can go ahead and dress it up by adding a hanging loop, tassels to the bottom, beads, whatever you'd like. You can even add a bell inside if you'd like to do that during assembly. This project looks beautiful in solid colors, in patterned paper, and in multicolors. Hope you had a fun time folding this cute project. Thank you for watching my very first origami tutorial. If you'd like to see more, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to share. Happy crafting! Bye now!